Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my easy breezy breakfast. And here are the ingredients. Frozen naan or flatbread, 1 egg, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and avocado. And this is the frozen naan or flatbread that I got from the Indian store. And for this recipe, I will only need half. This was pre-cooked, but it is frozen. And I will put it in air fryer for about 2 to 3 minutes. And for this avocado, all I need is a half. Now we need to smash it, but to make it easier, we'll pre-slice it into small pieces. And I will scoop it out and put it into a little bowl. And for seasoning, I will need a pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of sea salt, and a pinch of black pepper. And after we add all of our seasonings, now we could mix it really well with a spoon. Once it's reached this consistency, we will put it aside. Now let's fry our egg, and we will add some oil and turn the heat to medium-low. Once the pan is heated, we will add in our egg. We could either make it over easy or sunny side up, depending how you guys like it. I usually like it over easy, so about 2 minutes on each side. Our egg is done, guys. We have our flatbread that has been heated. Now let's add our avocado. And we would just spread it all over the flatbread or naan. After we finish spreading our avocado on top of our bread, now let's put our egg on top. And let's season our eggs with a few grinds of pepper, and a few grinds of our sea salt, There you go, guys. Our breakfast with naan and avocado and egg is done, guys. This is such an easy and delicious breakfast, and I hope you guys will make it at home for yourself or your friend and family. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.